Hey everyone, Mobile Tech RX here. In this video, we're going to show you how to quickly get started with our new detailing module inside Mobile Tech RX so you can make that perfect detail estimate. Let's begin. Once you've downloaded and opened the Mobile Tech RX mobile app, on the home screen, click New Client to go ahead and create a new client. Once that client is made, click New Estimate, and then select a client the estimate is for. And now we want to add the vehicle's information to this estimate. And so you can go ahead and scan the VIN number to automatically upload the vehicle's info, and it will let you know if you've already invoiced that vehicle, or we can manually input everything by clicking vehicle information here. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly enter some vehicle information. And there we go. And at the bottom, you now want to hit the services button. And so the service we're going to be performing is detailing. So click the detail button here. And this brings you to our new detailing page inside Mobile Tech RX. At the top of this page, you can see the detail labor rate. We can click and overwrite that. And we also can select a package that we want to perform on the vehicle. And so let's say this client wants this level 3 detailing package. So I can click on this and we can see a description of it. And at the bottom, I want to hit next. And we now want to add some conditional factors. So let's say that this is maybe an extra dirty vehicle. It's not our standard package. There's definitely going to be some extra labor time here getting this vehicle detailed. And so for example, if I click interior, I can click excessive dirt, or maybe there's some pet hair. So we'll add the pet hair factor here. So let's say there's light pet hair. It's going to take us an extra hour. I'm going to hit next. Some other common things you maybe want to add. So under exterior, there's paint correction. If we scroll down, maybe we have to, remove some rubber. So we'll add that in as well. And so once you have those conditional factors added, hit the save button. You can now see a final overview, kind of all the detailing work you're going to perform on the vehicle. So there's that base package plus those additional factors with that extra cost, just because, hey, this is an extra dirty vehicle, or there's pet hair, or there's that rubber that needs to be removed. And so once everything looks good here, you want to hit save. And lastly on this page, feel free to add any additional services that you want to perform on the vehicle. Another cool thing is this photos button. And so if you click this, you also can take various photos of the vehicle and document and upload them here. So if I want to maybe take a picture of that pet hair or take a picture of that excessive dirt, we can take a picture of that. That way the customer can see that. And once everything is done on the photos screen, we can also click services here, and we're going to go back. And so we also can add R&I fees if needed. So on the services screen, there's this R&I button. So feel free to add any R&I fees that apply for the work you're doing on that vehicle. Once everything looks good there, we're going to hit back, and then we're going to hit back again. And this brings us to the main estimate screen. So this is an overview of the estimate. So what we want to do now is click the 3 dots up here to bring open this More Options menu. We can email a copy of the estimate to a customer. We can do print preview to also see what the estimate will look like. Another great feature of Mobile Tech RX is it makes the estimate look very professional, very organized. The customer can see all those specific details of where those exact charges are coming from. And the final thing you can kind of do also under this options menu is there's also some alerts down here. And so you can send follow-up text alerts. So if you want that customer to come back 2 weeks later, or maybe come back in 6 months for more detailing, you can set up an alert there and send that out. Once the vehicle has been approved, you can click this green check mark here to show that the work has been approved to get this vehicle detailed. And so now we want to make a work order. If you need to add more vehicles to this estimate, click the add button at the bottom to add extra vehicles. If this is a multi-vehicle estimate, maybe one client brought in 3 cars or something. Otherwise, if everything looks good, we can get a signature if needed. If not, I'm going to go ahead and click create work order. And so I'm going to click Create Work Order. I'm going to go to the Work Order screen. And so the Work Order screen is a list of all your cars that have been approved to work on, or trucks, whatever vehicles you're working on. And so once that work is completed, we're going to click that work order. I'm going to invoice it out. So at the bottom, let's say, hey, the work just got finished. So I'm going to click invoice. And then same thing at the bottom here. If we need a signature for the invoice, we can get that. And so we'll say that we do need a signature here to close it out. So I'm going to get the signature, hit save, and the invoice is now closed out. And so final thing for the invoice, again, click those 3 dots, email a copy, see that print preview, or maybe set up alerts here as well. And now you're really done invoicing out that vehicle. The final thing you want to do is set up your own detailing package and prices. And so you can go ahead and close the app here. And to get to our admin panel, you're going to want to go to mobiletechrx.com and click that login button in the top right. This is going to bring you to the admin panel to where you can configure a bunch of kind of back office info for Mobile Tech RX. So you can input your company's information. Under company rates here on the left, we can set our default labor rate for detailing right here. And under the Detail Packages and Services button, this is where you can fully customize all your detailing packages and services. You can edit them, edit the descriptions, edit the prices, create some new ones, and everything you need to do here. And then also here's that Client Text Alerts button to where you can also create multiple text alert templates to use inside the app. And with that, that's a quick overview of how to use our new detailing module with Mobile Tech RX. If you want us to walk you through everything on the phone, go to mobiletechrx.com/walkthrough, and we would love to help you out and show you how to use everything. Thank you so much.